In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page on Squarespace. To begin, open your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you manage the structure and content of your site. Once you are inside the dashboard, look for the Pages area. In some versions of Squarespace, you may see this directly as Pages. In other cases, you may first need to click Website and then select Pages. Either path will take you to the section where you can create and organize the pages on your site. After you open the Pages panel, take a moment to look at how your site navigation is arranged. You will usually see your main navigation first. This is the part of your site that visitors can normally access through your menu. For a landing page, especially if you do not want it to appear in the main navigation right away, you will need to scroll down past that main section. Keep scrolling until you reach the area labeled Not Linked. This section is useful because it lets you create pages that exist on your site without automatically showing them in your navigation menu. That makes it a great place for landing pages, promotional pages, or any page you want to share directly with a specific link. Once you are in the Not Linked section, click the plus icon to add a new page. Squarespace will show you a list of page options. From that list, choose Blank Page. This gives you a clean starting point, which is ideal for building a focused landing page without extra layout elements getting in the way. As soon as you select Blank Page, Squarespace will prompt you to name the page. Type the title you want for your landing page, then press Enter to confirm it. Choose a title that is clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create more pages later. A simple descriptive name can make your dashboard much easier to manage. At this point, your new landing page has been created and placed in the Not Linked section. That means it is ready for you to customize further while staying separate from your main site navigation. This setup is especially helpful when you want more control over how and when visitors access the page. That covers everything you need to know.